Welcome. In front of me is a JBL TUNER 3 and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the speaker itself. Okay, so quickly going over some of the features right here which are labeled on the box. We have Bluetooth 5.3 and we have FM radio. We have 15 hours of battery life. Digital radio, I mean, that is basically FM radio, so it doesn't really matter. That's about everything that I need to mention. So let's get into this. There we go. Oh, there's just paperwork in here. Okay. And I think there might be one more thing below. Oh no, it's just cardboard. Okay, so there we go. Oh, it actually has an antenna. Wow, I haven't seen those in a while. There we go. So, oh, we actually have a full kind of digital screen right here. Okay, there is some bass in here. Reconnecting. What do you mean? Reconnecting? You mean connecting, maybe? Anyway, so I'm gonna plop in the Bluetooth mode. I'm not really gonna go into the radio mode. It automatically shows up on the phone. So pairing. I'm gonna lower down the volume a little bit. Oh, that's kind of neat. So you have the volume indicator right here. Anyway, let's open up YouTube and there we go. Okay, there isn't much bass in here, but for someone that wants to, I don't know, want to go listen to radio, have some Bluetooth speaker that functions, it does basically do a couple features at the same time. So obviously it's a bit more versatile than typical speaker, and you don't need a phone for that. So as an example, if I would imagine my grandparents, something like that for them would be probably insanely good. They would be considering this to be basically gift from God. But to someone that actually, you know, has a much bigger or better speakers, this is nothing special. It won't blow you away. And if you're not into radio listening, obviously, as a speaker, it's mid. So there's a lot of value, I think, in the fact that it actually has a radio that you can utilize right here. But like I said, I'm most likely not the generation that this is catering towards, so I don't think I should be even judging this, to be honest. Like I said, I feel like my grandparents would probably find this device pretty interesting and useful, as they do listen to radio themselves. So having something that is wireless, chargeable, also can be double as a Bluetooth speaker, easy to carry, small enough, with also very clear indication or like what you're doing right here with the display. I would say it's not a bad product, just not one designed for me, or probably majority of the people that are about 30 and under. So anyway, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.